Hi guys, Andy here from Car Key Solutions. Today I'm going to show you how to change a battery on an Audi flip key. This was mainly used for Audi A4s, Audi TTs, Audi A3 from 2004 onwards, even until today. So the flip key is relatively easy to open. You have to use a small screwdriver and just open the case. So the side of the case which has the logo on, you just push it from the bottom, from here, and it comes out, and then the battery is inside here. Okay. In this case we have a CR2032 battery. Replace that. Make sure you put the positive side up for the battery before you close the case, and just put this small plastic guide into place and clip it back in, and that's your key done. That's your battery change. You can see the small red LED working, so that's a sign that the key is functional. Okay. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel for more videos about changing batteries, and if you do have any questions or if you need any assistance, please do not hesitate to give us a call. Have a good day.